In today's digital age, the internet offers incredible opportunities to earn money online. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or achieve financial freedom, affiliate marketing has emerged as a lucrative avenue. With the right knowledge and tools, you can leverage the power of the internet to generate passive income streams. One program that stands out in this field is John Crestani's Super Affiliate System Pro. Created by renowned internet entrepreneur John Crestani, the Super Affiliate System Pro is a comprehensive training program designed to help both beginners and experienced marketers thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. John Crestani is a self-made millionaire who has achieved remarkable success in the affiliate marketing industry. His program is the culmination of years of experience, tried and tested strategies, and a deep understanding of what it takes to succeed online. The Super Affiliate System Pro sets a bold goal for its students to help them earn $5,000 in just 6 weeks. While individual results may vary, the program provides a clear roadmap and the necessary resources to make this ambitious target achievable. Through a combination of video training, practical exercises, and ongoing support, you'll gain the skills and knowledge to navigate the world of affiliate marketing effectively. One of the key strengths of the Super Affiliate System Pro lies in its comprehensive support system. You'll have access to a range of resources designed to guide you every step of the way. These include video training. The program features in-depth video modules covering all aspects of affiliate marketing, from niche selection and product research to traffic generation and conversion optimization. Product list. You'll receive a curated list of high-converting products to promote, eliminating the guesswork and saving you valuable time. Pre-made ads. Save time and effort with access to pre-designed ad creatives that you can use to kickstart your campaigns. Software and website tools. The program provides access to essential software and website tools to streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. Coaching calls. Participate in regular coaching calls with John Crestani and his team of experts to get personalized guidance and answers to your questions. 24/7 support. Enjoy round-the-clock support to address any technical issues or challenges you may encounter. In addition to these core features, the Super Affiliate System Pro offers valuable bonuses to further enhance your chances of success. These bonuses include traffic credits. Receive credits to jumpstart your traffic generation efforts and attract potential customers to your affiliate offers. Growth Coach Call. Benefit from a one-on-one coaching call with a dedicated growth coach who will provide personalized strategies to accelerate your progress. High-ticket commission training. Learn advanced techniques to promote high-ticket products and services, maximizing your earning potential. Business setup assistance. Get expert help in setting up your affiliate marketing business for long-term success. To provide peace of mind and demonstrate confidence in the program's effectiveness, the Super Affiliate System Pro comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with the program for any reason, you can request a full refund within 30 days of purchase. To learn more about the Super Affiliate System Pro and how it can help you achieve your online income goals, attend John Crestani's free webinar. During the webinar, John will share valuable insights into the world of affiliate marketing, provide an overview of the program, and answer your questions live. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your earning potential and embark on a journey toward financial freedom. Click the link below to register for the free webinar and take the first step toward building a successful online business.